This is the motor came in, need another lower unit. We put a lower unit on it, and it's still overheating, or it's overheating now with the new lower unit. And the history shows right there, I don't know if that'll show up in the sun or not, but it shows it's 111 times it's overheated. And so we dropped the lower unit after you brought it back in, and the impeller was great. We put a new impeller in it. Go ahead and start her up. Pop in gear, give it a little gas. Okay.